Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam Hassan and I hope that you all are doing great. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to tell you about an interesting web tool that is Kahoot. Kahoot is a free online web tool that is used by the teachers for formative assessment to stimulate students' learning. Now let's explore how you can use Kahoot effectively. Let's get started. For that, first you need to open your browser, for example Google Chrome. I will open Google Chrome and type kahoot.com in the address bar. This is the main page of Kahoot. Now log in by your BH Google account. Here comes the home page of Kahoot. On this page you will see three options. Number 1, play demo game. Number 2, create Kahoot. And number 3, host Kahoot. You are supposed to select the option of create Kahoot. If this option is not being clicked, it means that it has been used multiple times. Then on the top right corner, there is another option given, that is create. Now click this option of create and it will show you another window from where will you choose the option of new Kahoot create. On this page, you can create different types of questions for your students. For that type of assessment, first you need to enter Kahoot title. For example, in the Kahoot title, I will write here formative assessment. Then there is a box given below of description that is totally optional. Now come down and press the button of done. Now let's see how you can create questions for formative assessment. On the top, you will write a question. Then you can set the time limit. You can keep the points standard, double points or no point. Furthermore, you can upload an image from your image library from your system and insert a video link. You will add 2 multiple choices. Rest of the choices are optional. In order to create questions, there is another option given on the left side of add questions. Now open this option and you will see multiple types of questions here. For example, quiz, true or false, type answer, puzzle, poll, word climb, open-minded, brainstorm and slide. Now I am going to create a slide by choosing the option of quiz. I will type a question on the top. For instance, what is the name of the city? I have uploaded an image from my system. I will set the time limit. I will keep the point standard and I will add 2 multiple choices and press the right answer. Now I am going to create another option by selecting the option of true or false. Again, I will write a question on the top. Is it a reptile? I will set the time limit and again I will keep the point standard. I will choose the right option and press the button done that is given on the top right corner of this page. On this page, you can see the questions that have been created by me. Now I will press the button of play. It will show me another window from where I will choose the option of teach. Then I will go to the next page and here from these options I will choose the option of classic. This page will take some time for uploading. After some time, I will select Kahoot pin code. Remember that you are required to share this game pin with your students. Students will share this game pin and they will choose the color codes to share their responses. This is the Kahoot pin code. After entering this pin code in mobile, students would be able to see the questions on their screens. They will also enter their nick. Now students will be able to view the questions that have been created by me. They will select the right option by choosing the color code. They will press the button of next and they will view the next question and choose the right option by selecting the color code again. On the podium, you can see the amount of points and positions of your students. Students can also see their responses and amount of points on their mobile or on their notebooks. Once your students are done, you will select the option of reports and can view the summary of your students' responses. This is the effective utilization of Kahoot web tool. I hope that this video will be useful for you. I will see you next time. Bye.